This is great. Samsung has been perfecting its foldable tech for years, but the real game changer has always been the anticipated double folding phone. Well, the rumors are in, and the teased Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is finally arriving before the year is out. Today, we're breaking down the 7 biggest, most exciting rumors about this bold, new foldable. Let's dive in. Firstly, the core difference here is the form factor. Current models like the Z Fold 7 have a single folding point. The Galaxy Z Trifold, however, will feature 2 folds for greater flexibility, much like the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design. This new design will let you switch between a whopping 3 screen sizes and may even open up interesting ways to prop up the phone for viewing. Secondly, speaking of screen sizes, the productivity boost is huge. Where the Galaxy Z Fold 7 opens to an 8-inch screen, the Z Trifold is tipped to be as large as 10 inches when fully unfolded. That's a massive jump, similar to going from an iPad mini to a regular iPad. Plus, the 2 folds should allow for a more tablet-like aspect ratio, potentially approaching the 16:9 we expect from tablets, compared to the Fold 7's 4.2:3 ratio. Now, third, this huge canvas seems perfect for the S Pen, but according to leaker at Tech Highest, the S Pen won't be compatible with this new foldable. This isn't entirely surprising, as Samsung dropped S Pen support on the Z Fold 7. The company has, however, promised to work on S Pen support for future foldables, so there's still hope for a second-generation trifold. Fourth is the power and battery. One of the main challenges for foldables is battery capacity, as the thickness of the component is an issue. A patent spotted by Galaxy Club shows how Samsung plans to solve this by including 3 separate batteries divided equally between the 3 segments. With the Z Fold 7 managing 4,400 mAh with 2 segments, the Trifold should easily clear the 5,000 mAh threshold, with some rumors pointing to a combined total of 5,600 mAh. Fifth is the photography. The Z Trifold is set to at least match and possibly even exceed the current flagship foldables camera specs. It's widely expected to feature the powerful 200-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. While it may retain the 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom, there is a possibility it could boost to a 50-megapixel 5x model, ensuring superb photographic tools either way. Sixth, this device will be an absolute beast of performance. Expect Samsung to include the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, at least 12 GB of RAM with 16 GB as a possibility, and a minimum of 256 GB of storage. If Samsung debuts the freshly announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 in the Trifold as rumored, we could see a 20% boost to CPU performance and a 23% increase in graphical output. Finally, seventh, the price. This is going to be extremely expensive. With the Z Fold 7 starting at $1,999, the Galaxy Z Trifold is expected to cost at least $2,299, and leaker Yogesh Bra has suggested it could be in the $3,000 to $3,500 ballpark. Although initial rumors suggested a limited release in South Korea and China, a wider release is now predicted. While a wider launch should help reduce the price due to economies of scale, the first generation will still be strictly for those flush with cash. So, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is shaping up to be the ultimate, bleeding-edge portable tablet experience, but it will come at an ultra-premium price. Which of these 7 rumors are you most excited about? Let me know your thoughts on the $3,000 price tag down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see a full review, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.